Welcome, dear viewer, to Best of the News. To start, I want to show you how to prepare a delicious scrambled eggs. On the other hand is the best international news. Finally, we speak about the movie Avatar. About the Avatar, it's appropriate they have an avatar when they are teletransport and a struggle for survival in the field is about not letting it all be extinct. Uh, this movie is a Thai fiction. This movie was made 18th of December 2009 in China. The movie is ideal because the actors were in contact with the natural all on time. In addition, the film talks about the conservation of the environment. Uh, what is the movie about? Avatar takes a world beyond imagination, where a newcomer from Earth embarks on an epic adventure. Eventually, fighting to save the strange world he has learned to call home. We enter a strange world on the Han, Jake, Sully. What is my opinion? For example, the location, actor, script, message, accent. The location is very good, inspiring to director create those beautiful scenery. The actor were very professional and they perform very naturally. The script was on the best for the rest of the movie was a total success. The fantastic plot. And the message that leaves you is hopeful and futurist thinking about the damage we are causing on the planet. You are the mighty fever. Exim, the Exim managed to capture you in such a way that you feel part of the movie. Uh, I identify with Jack Tully because I can be that the planet we has love and take care and the addiction do not pretend to overexploit, okay, the finish.
For the Colombian breakfast, we are need the followed ingredients: olive oil, spinach, tomato, onions, sausage, egg, and sweet corn. Ah, for to drink, we need a mango, and sugar. The utensils. The utensils, we need table, knife, fork, spoon, cooking pot. Okay, started. Turn on the stove. Okay. A little oil. Okay. Middle fire. And the ingredients. Okay. The egg. Or remember, a bit of salt. Blender the egg. Okay. The spoon. Okay, blender the scrambled egg. Fire middle approximately 8 minutes. Okay, close the cooking pot, and in this moment let's go to prepare to drink. Okay, for the delicious Colombian breakfast we need also the cheese, the delicious cheese. Okay, and to drink the juice mango. Okay, let's go to prepare the juice mango. Okay, let's go. Okay, the mango, it is the juice. Or okay, this is the strainer. Strainer the juice. Okay. I like the sugar, the black sugar. It's delicious. One, two, three spoons. Okay. Blender.
Green dear river. This
These are the international news. Facebook-in-chief executive Mark Zuckerberg
Okay.
received by senators to commit him to regulation.
The glasses.
During a 5-hour questionnaire by 44 USA senators, Zuckerberg repeated apology he previously made for a range of problems that have been Facebook. From a lack of data protection of Russian agents
Okay.
able to influence USA's election.
Ready.
But the 33
Turn off
year
the
old
stop.
internet mogul managed to display any specific promise to support
Okay.
any congressional regulation of the
In
world's
this
largest
moment,
social media network and
finish
other
the
USA
prepared.
internet
Oh,
companies.
one moment.
I will have my team follow
For
up
me, it's
with
very
you
important
why
to
we can
drink
have this discussion
water
across different categories.
before the
in
breakfast.
this
It's
discussion
very good.
Zuckerberg told
Okay.
joint
Finish
hearing by the USA
prepared.
Senate
And in this moment,
Commerce and Judiciary
we
Committee
are
when asked
accomplished.
what regulation he thought were necessary. On the other hand, these are the hot news. Law to Colombian people, former FARC rebel chief arrested on drugs charges. A former Colombian rebel command has been arrested on USA drug traffic charge
Okay.
in a shocking development that
This is
happened
the
more
delicious
pressure understandably this process with the
Colombian
FARC
breakfast.
guerrilla.
And okay.
Ceusis Hernandez,
I
a
like
blind
the
former
cookies.
peace negotiator known by his alias Jesus Santrich, was detained early on Monday and await probably extradition to the United States, where prosecutors in New York accused him of conspiration
Okay.
to ship
Finish the
10,000
Colombian delicious.
kilograms of
Thank you for
cocaine
attention.
USA.
Okay.
Santrich former
Let's go to
comrade
text.
rejected the charge,
And
accusing the
breakfast.
government of using the former guerrilla as a trophy to be presented to President Trump, who had been due to visit to Colombia and Peru this weekend. We finish with the sport news. When does World Cup 2018 start? Or you need to know ahead of the summer tournament in Russia. This summer we'll see 32 teams head to Russia for a month-long festival of football. We will see on the team crowding in the best of the planet. After again strolling through quality, Gareth Southgate and England team will be looking to a 52-year ahead, but will need a drastic improvement on the group stage exit in Brazil for year ago. Germany will start as one of the favorites as they look to defend their crown, while Brazil has been impressed in recent months and will fancy the chance of the notching up another win. Thank you for your attention.